Secret investing advice for stock market success. You may have heard a lot about the stock market over the years, but you might not know how to get started. Trading on the stock market does have a learning curve, but the tips in this video are meant to help you with your investments, whether you are a pro or a novice. Keep watching for some tips that will help you invest well. One of the finest things you can do to stay ahead of the curve is talk with a stock expert. Stockbrokers or friends who succeed with stocks are good people to speak with, as they often know which companies are the best to invest in. Learn from the experts to become one yourself. Remember that individual stocks do not necessarily represent the entire market. A decent stock may soar while the overall market tanks, while a bad stock may plunge in value when the rest of the market is thriving. This is why it's a good idea to diversify the types of stock you own, choosing stocks from a variety of companies in many different industries. Aim for investing in stocks from companies that are financially sound and have earning growth that are above the market average. There are over 6,000 publicly traded companies in the United States stock markets, available to choose from. However, applying these criteria reduces your target pool of stocks to just around 200 choices to invest in. Information is vital to having good management and decision-making skills for your stock portfolio. You must be well versed in current marketing information in order to create a plan that doesn't make you to lose everything you have. Be sure you have immediate access to all of the prices of the bonds, funds, and shares. It doesn't matter if you are new to investing or you have traded for some time. The more you know, the more resources that you have to draw from, in order for your investments to pay off. Use the tips in this video to put you on the right path to investment riches. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.